I'm on my way to pick up another load of hay, heading toward the railroad crossing. Well, this is different. A big truck is stopped sideways on the tracks. Usually that wouldn't be good. But no worries. This is a railroad maintenance crew, and that is a road rail truck. It can either use its tires to run on regular roads or use an extra set of railroad wheels to run on the tracks. So railroad crossings are where they have opportunities to switch back and forth between road and rail. This one must be insulated. That is, it doesn't activate the crossing signal. So they have posted a lookout. They've come up the road, turned and stopped to line up with the tracks. They're setting their railroad wheels down and lifting the front tires up. The rear tires stay down and provide traction on the rails. And off it goes.